Hello guys, hello everybody, hello you. Welcome to my channel Creuzart. I am Cray and today boat tour with me here in El Nido, Palawan. But before anything else guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share this video to your family and friends, and now tour with me here in Palawan. Just don't have the big lagoon and the small lagoon, but it's okay, it's going to be okay.
Would you call me, get 080 in the morning? Why you so hard on me? Oh my baby, don't do like that. I know you love it when I call you baby boo. You going crazy and I love the way you doing it. The way you back it up on me, I swear you too good. The way you love it up on me. And I'm thinking, can we keep it in secret? Don't bother, girl, I'll be honest. No wonder why you be asking if I'm the one for you. I see the stars in your eyes when I look into it. You're so amazing, girl, I picture you so perfect in me. I'm gonna write the pistols, no, not the pistols. I mean your attributes and the way your body move. Maybe an article, posing it up like I'm script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still went up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. You make my heart call you. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. Yeah, my heart just to call you. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. be the one to say.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed you.
So guys, that's everything for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I do. And again guys, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you next time, and bye bye.
Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.